Fossils. Fossils are the remains of ancient animals and other life forms. Fossils are not just preserved bones or shells. An organism must be preserved to become a fossil. Fossils come from hard and soft tissues. Hard tissues are fossils of tissues on shells, bones and tree trunks. Soft tissues can become fossils if they are preserved quickly. Scientists have found fossils of thousands of organisms that lived in the past. This fossil record tells scientists about the history of life on Earth. When an organism dies in a wetland, its body is buried under sand or gravel. Over time, more and more sand or other sediments presses down the organism. The organism slowly is replaced with minerals from the water that leaks through the sediment. Eventually, the remains become hard as stone. Then the organism becomes a fossil. This way of forming a fossil is called permineralization. Soft tissues become fossils through a process called carbonization. Soft tissues are leaves, stems, seeds, insects and feathers. The soft tissues are squeezed between two rocks. Over time, this creates a 3D print of the tissues. Fossils can also form when an organism is trapped inside a sticky material. This is called an inclusion fossil. Over time, the resin hardens into amber. The fossil record has fossils of tiny creatures like bacteria and other germs. The fossil record has fossils of organisms as old as 3 billion years. There are fossils of sea creatures high up in the Rocky Mountains. This shows that these mountains were once under the sea. Thus, fossils provide evidence of ever-changing land, ecosystem and other climatic conditions. Hence, the study of fossils is important.